In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a category in WordPress. I'll show you how you can create the category, then I'll show you how you can add posts to your categories, right? Because you need your website nice and organized. So I'll explain everything, so join me and let's get started. So first you need to go to your dashboard on your WordPress website, then go to posts, hover over it, and then you'll just see categories. Go ahead and click on that. Now once you're in this window, you'll be able to add new categories. You'll also be able to see your existing categories and edit them. And you'll be able to see how many posts you've currently got in those categories. So right now I have two categories, live streaming and travel, and they both have one post in them. So let's create a new category. So I'm going to create a category and call it tech. The slug, I will put tech. Now the slug, if I was just to show you, the slug would be what's after the URL /category /. Because this is a live streaming category, I've called the slug live streaming, obviously. You can then go and add a description and add that category if you want to, and it will then add that category. Now here where it says parent category, this works if you're creating like subcategories. So we have a category called tech. Now let's say we want to create a subcategory called iPhone. So maybe we're creating posts about iPhones. Now because iPhone falls under the tech category, we can change the parent category to tech and add new category. You can see now it goes under tech, so tech is now a parent category. So that's how you can add your categories. You can add as many as you want. Now, what do you do if you want to go back and add your other posts to those categories? Well, you can do it by going to posts. You can go to all posts. And then from here, you'll see all of the different posts that you've got. You'll be able to search through them. And obviously, depends on how many posts you've got. But you can then hover over your post. You can then click quick edit. And from here, you can select the category. So how to stream on Kick using OBS is in the right category, but if I had an article about tech or iPhone, I can categorize it obviously, and then it will update that category. So I hope that quick video did help you out. Let me know if you've got any questions or comments in the comment section below.